Hi, friends. We have been working so hard already to become readers. We've already learned that you are the kind of readers who know that we look, we think, and then we say, which makes us readers. Yesterday, we learned that readers are really explorers who find treasures in their book. And we talked about using our finger to scan the page and search for treasures by checking the covers and the pictures and the words inside the book. Today, I want to teach you another thing that readers do. Another thing that readers do is they look and pay attention to both the whole page and the tiny details in that page. Okay, so let me show you how I do this. Okay, friends, watch how I do this in my new book, Colorful Leaves. Already, if I remember our lesson from yesterday, I'm already finding treasures about the different types of colorful leaves there can be. There can be yellow or green. There are going to be some leaves that can have more than one color on them. So, chapter 1, leaf shapes. Zoom in a little bit. Can you guess which of these pictures show leaves? All of them. Leaves come in many shapes and sizes. Okay, friends, if I pause and I look at all the details on my page, I can talk about what this whole page is about, but also the tiny details. So this whole page is about different shapes that leaves can come in. This part right here is showing me a fern leaf that has like little triangles on it. This one is showing, this part is about pine leaves and how they're like little needles or lines. This part is about grass leaves. And they're kind of a mix of the two, right? They're pointing like pine leaves, but they're also got some flat parts like fern leaves. All of these parts are about leaf shapes, but they're different because they show me different kinds. A leaf is a part of a plant. Trees are plants. Different kinds of trees have different leaves. Fast fact, an oak tree can have more than 1,000,000 leaves. So this part down here is telling me that leaves are a part of the plant. Here I can see an entire tree with the leaves and the branch. That's another part, right? Or the branch and the trunk, all different parts. Notice how I look at the whole page and then I look at the parts. Some trees have leaves that look like stars. Some trees have leaves that look like feathers or fans. Some trees have leaves that look like hearts. What other shapes do you see? So again, friends, these whole two pages are about different shapes of leaves. This one's showing me a heart shape. This one's showing me kind of like a star shape, right? This one, if I turn upside down, it kind of reminds me of a ghost. Ooh, right? Readers, today and every day, as you read your books, I want you to be asking yourself and paying attention to what is on the whole page, but also scan in to the tiny details of your page too. Find all the treasures, not only the whole thing, but the little treasures hidden inside as well, those tiny details. Asking yourself, what does it have in common? How is it different? Use your finger to touch the parts as you share those tiny details. Happy reading!